So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course, and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching, and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLRR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course, and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly, right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it.
I was very much interested in learning Okay, Amar, can we start now?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Okay, okay. Okay, guys, so very good evening, everyone, and welcome to the session. It is our day 5. So we are going to talk about the strings over here, character arrays over here, string builder, and string manipulation problems and all. So all these things we are going to discuss over here one by one. Okay. So first of all, going into that, I just would like to know that what do you mean by string, guys? What do you understand by string? What is string? And why the normally string is that important, guys? What do you mean by string? Collection of character, very good. What else? The array of character, group of character, set of alphabets, very good. Okay, very good. So we can see here a string is a sequence of character enclosed within a double quote. So if something put it into the double quote in a Java, so we will consider that as a string over here. Okay. So in Java, string is an object of string class. So in Java, there is a string class also available, and it is a immutable, meaning once the string is created, its value cannot be changed. Okay, so for example, if we have a name, then city, course, like that. Okay, so once the value is assigned, it cannot be changed. But yes, we try to change, then it will create a new object. That's why it is called as a immutable. Okay, so that's why it is called as a immutable. So everyone got the idea what is string and what do you mean by immutable? Hello? Okay, can anyone tell me that how many ways we can create a object of string in Java? How many ways we can create a object of string in a Java? Right, two ways, correct, Tarun. Yes, what all are those ways? One is a string literal, another one is a using new keyword, right? Okay, very good. Now, why our string is important in a DSA, data structures and algorithm? So strings are one of the most frequently used data structure in coding interviews. Okay, so they are used for the text processing. If any pattern matching we want to do, password validation you want to perform. Okay, so in that case you can go for the okay, strings. So search engines are there, DNA sequence analysis will be there, chat applications will be there, compiler design will be there, artificial intelligence, natural language processing, NLP and all. So in that case, we can use the string. Okay. So if you observe your memory representation of string, so you can see if there is a word called as a Java, string called as Java. So each character has this index start from 0, like array. Okay, now we'll see how we can create array. So simple way, so you can say string name, have a name, and you can print that. Okay, so using new keyword also we can create the string array. Okay, so both the ways we are able to create the string array over here. So there are many methods like length method, caret method, substring. So we'll see that those one by one, most of the methods over here. Okay, and then we'll go ahead. Okay, so length method, so it will return the string length. So if you want to check the length of the string, so you can go for the string length and all. So guys, tell me one thing, if I will go with a majority, do you want I should implement quickly this methods into the one Java program? Just reply me. Okay, there is already some people are there in the class, they have implemented, I think. Very good. I don't know who's that guy. I will take 1 minute. I'll check the name also. Who's this? Okay, I don't know. Krishna. Okay. Okay. So some people are very fast. No problem. One. Actually, I was going to do that, but already okay. This is not in a correct format. So better I will do it. 1 minute. I will increase the font size and then I will. Okay, so you can see here we created a public class string example. Okay, then our main method is there. Great. Then we have creating object of string, string literal. Okay, then we'll printing the name means that variable. Then we are printing the length of that. Okay, then we are printing the uppercase. Then like that you can go for the lower case also. Then we can use a caret as well. Okay, right, and then we'll close the main method and all. Okay, so like that you can use the another you can implement the another function also. So guys, you can see here we created a object of string which is a name. We'll try to print that. We'll try to print the length of that. Two uppercase, two lowercase. Caret 0 means zeroth index. So J is there. So it will print the J. Okay. So like that you can implement the other methods also. So which all are other methods? Length I have shown you in that example. To be very honest, somebody shared in chat box, so I am showing you that. Caret function is there. Substring. Now see, return a part of string. So if you want the particular part of string, you can go for the substring. Then two uppercase, two lowercase, convert it to the uppercase and lowercase. Equals method, equal ignore case. So if you want to check two strings are equal, but in that case you want to ignore their uh, small capital, okay, case. So in that case equal ignore case will be there. Contains, so check if the substring exists or not. Then replace the character. Trim is there, remove the leading and trailing space. So before and after, if any spaces are there, so that will be removed using the trim function. Okay, then split is there, split the string and index of, find the first occurrence of the character, and last index of, find the last occurrence of the of that. Okay, so is it possible, guys? I know that you can copy paste from anywhere also, but can you spend a 5 to 10 minutes on this and try to implement as many as methods you can, and then later on you can share it into the chat box? Is it possible, guys, for you? Yes, please reply. Can you do that? Hello everyone, please reply. Hello guys, am I audible? Can you hear me properly, everyone? Am I audible to you all? Okay, so you have 10 minutes, try to implement these methods, okay, into the similar format like this. Okay, and then we will go ahead. Please do it, guys. Then we'll go ahead. Okay, guys. So I hope you guys are noted. What happened? Everything is all right. Yes, Sakshi. Okay. Now, guys, see, we'll see the example. The first of all, normally how we are going to reverse the string. Okay. So I'll explain that first. Okay. Okay. Very good. Now, guys, see here. We are going to create the because see, I was waiting. Some people will share the code into the chat box. So only one guy has shared now. Okay, so I don't know. People are sending is everything okay, but no one has shared the code for which I have given you time to. Okay. Now you guys can see here we are declaring a string variable called as a str, and then we are declaring another variable reverse. We are keeping that empty. Okay. After that, you can see here int I. So first of all, I am taking the I as a string length. Okay, minus one because normally index start with a zero, so that's why. Then I is greater than or equal to zero and I minus minus. So we are starting from the last. So we are taking a reverse is equal to reverse plus str at char at I. Char at I means what? The last position first it will take, right? Lack of charge, so I can't be able to send. Okay, okay, no problem, Jatin. Okay. So caret I means the last position it will take first, store it into the reverse. Like that, this loop will go on. So it will reach to the when the it will be greater than zero, it will stop. So you will see the original value and then it will print the reverse. Is that okay, guys? Have you understood the logic of this reverse the string? Hello, everyone. Logic of reverse the string. Okay, guys. So you have 5 minutes, guys. You can try this and then we will go ahead. Okay. Can you try this, everyone? Yes, please. Yes, guys, if you're done with this, can you try to do this some other way? Is it possible? Can you check that and share it in chat box? Yes, guys, can you try to do this in some other way and try to share that in a chat box? Please reply, guys. Can you try to do in some other way and try to share that into the chat box? Hello, everyone. Hello, guys. Am I audible, guys? Can you do that? Can you try to do this same problem statement, reversing the string other way? Please do it. Try to do that and share it in chat box. Okay, guys. So many of you have done that. Very good. Okay, next we'll go ahead. Okay. Now check the palindrome string. So obviously that reverse string, and simply we are going to check whether they are equal or not. If it is equal, we'll say palindrome. Otherwise, we'll say not a palindrome. So my surname itself a palindrome, Basav. Vasav. Okay. So I'll explain this and then we'll go ahead. So you can observe here the same logic we are going to use here. 1 minute. Let me just take the. Okay. Wait, guys. So you can see public static void main string args. Okay. So we are taking a string str madam. So int left variable we took 0, and then right is going to be a length minus 1, means last index. Okay. Then boolean palindrome initially will keep a true. So while left is less than right, so till the time left value is less than right means complete not completing the size. Okay. So we are going to, if str char at left not equal to char at right, then palindrome will become a false and it will break. And every time left is going to increment, right is going to decrement. So you understood that, right? It will start from the first, it will start from the last. So if it is palindrome true, it will say palindrome otherwise. So if it is matching the alphabets first and last, second and second last, like that, then it will be palindrome. Otherwise, it is not a palindrome. Is that okay, guys? Have you understood this? Hello, everyone. So I will request you all, please try this, okay? And then we'll see, we'll go ahead, okay? So I will reduce the font size little. Okay, so the whole code you guys are, no, it's not possible to see on a one. Wait a minute, let me reduce more. Wait, guys. I hope it is visible now. Can you try this, everyone? Please reply, guys. Hello, guys. Yes, please try this. You have a 10 minutes of time and then we'll go ahead, okay? Please try this. Yes, Sakshi, you can try that way also. Correct. That is also one way. You can try that also and share the code in a chat box. See, if palindrome also work, because that palindrome value only it is going to check whether it is a true or false, Nishit. Okay, both the way you can check. So I hope everyone got the idea till here. Okay, I want you should try the count the ovals and constants from the string. Can you do that for me? Can you try to do that? This one more example. Can you try to do that? Count the ovals and constant. Hello? You can try. You can take a 5 minutes. Please try to do that. Count the ovals and constant. Guys, I have requested you to do that, try that. Okay, you want to see my code? No issue, I'll show you. No issue. Wait a minute. So I'll try to keep that on the same page. Okay, so you guys can observe here. So if we are taking the string programming, so initial we will declare the variable ovals and constant 0, 0. Then we will convert that into the two lowercase, and then we will just start with the int I is equal to 0 from the 0 index. So I will go to the str.length, okay, I plus plus every time, and then we'll check. We'll take the one char ch is equal to str dot caret I. So we'll check that if that char letter is matching with the A, E, I, O, U, then vowel will be incremented, else constant will be incremented, and then we'll print the number of vowels and number of constant. Is that fine? The person who has asked me to show the entire code, Kavita, is that okay? Okay, so we'll wait for 2 more minutes, 2, 3 minutes, and then we'll go ahead. Okay, please, you have a 2, 3 minutes, guys, and then we'll go ahead. Okay, guys, very good. See, Sakshi, character dot is letter. It will check because caret I is going to take the index. And if you want to take the letter of that, you are going to take the is letter. Is that okay, Sakshi? Okay. Now character array in Java. So obviously we have whatever examples we have seen, all those character array. So character array is an array that store the individual character, each element of the type char. Okay. So unlike the string, character array is a mutable. So please remember character array is a mutable. Okay. So why learn character array? For string manipulation, reversing string, and also we have done that, right? So memory representation we already seen. So string versus character array. String is a immutable, character array is a mutable. It is an object of string class. It is a primitive array. Then it is rich built-in method. It is a manual processing. Then cannot modify characters. It will be character can be modified over here. So use for text. It is used in a DSA algorithm and all. Okay. So like that. So these are the main things. So we can create and print the character array very easily over here. So for that, if you remember, we have done this into the array also. So that's why I'm going bit faster for this. Okay. So I will explain this. You guys can practice that later on. Okay. So you can see here character array, and in that we can simply till length it will go, and every time it is going to print. Is that fine, guys? Character array. We have done the many example of array, right? Before this. Hello. Okay, we'll see that reversing character array now. So I'll show you also. You guys, if you want, you guys can try from your side also. That's not a problem. So using character array, we are going to see the reversing the character array. Oh, now guys, see here how we can reverse that. So we'll take the first of all character array. We'll take the variable left. We'll take the right is equal to arr dot length minus one. Okay. So till the time left will reach to the right means complete. We are going to store the left element into the first left element into the temporary, then right into the left, and then temporary into the right. So we are reversing. So every time left will incremented, right will decremented, and at last we'll get the reverse array. Is it okay, guys? This is the very simple one, character array. Are you guys getting this? Please reply, guys. Can you try this one? You have 5 minutes. Can you try this one? Please try it and then we'll go ahead. Okay, Sakshi, I will repeat again. So you can see here we are taking the one array, in each string type of array, and then we will take an exam data graph equal to 0. And I will give you the mark again. Then we have our list. So we will write a take cap and that will store the left here or there. And then have right will store it to the left. And again take bring it into the right. So we are shifting that, right? And shifting that. So every time it will to the left and will take it to the right. Like that, we are going to reverse that. Is that okay, Sakshi? Hello, Sakshi. Is that okay? Hello, are you there? Hello, Sakshi. Can you hear me? Hello, Sakshi. Can you hear me? Okay, please try this. Okay, guys. So I hope you got the idea about the character array, right? So this is normally into the 2 pointers and all. You can later on try the count value and constant also you in a character array, right? It's very easy. I'll show you quickly. You can spend only 5 minutes, hardly 5 minutes, and you're able to get the idea of that, right? So you can see the character array is there. So only we are using enhanced for loop, and in that we using tool over. We are checking if it is a AEIOU, OL plus plus, otherwise constant plus plus. Is it okay, guys? This is a character array where we are checking the constant and ovals. Hello? Please try this for 5 minutes and then we'll go ahead. Okay, please. So Redmi 10, first of all, please come up with your name. Okay, you know that after 8:30 only they will share the link. Okay, so please focus on this program. Okay, guys, so I hope you are done with that. Next, okay, now guys, string builder in Java. Okay, so string builder is a class which is a mutable class. So string is a immutable. So string builder is a mutable class in a Java used to create and modify the string efficient. Unlike string, okay, in which it is a immutable. So string builder object can be changed without creating a new object. Okay, and this string builder belonging from java.lang packages. So why do we need a string builder? Because suppose we want to concatenate string. Okay, so in that case, every time we need to modify the string, create a new object, but we don't want to do that. That's why we'll go for string builder. So string builder will directly concatenate without creating a new object. Okay, so you can see the string versus string builder. So it is a mutable. So string is no, string builder is yes. Both are non-thread safe. Then performance lower for modification string, and it is a faster. Okay, in string it will create a new object every time. It will reuse the same object. So here it is a fixed text. It is a frequently changing text. So creating a string builder. So we can create a string builder sp is equal to new string builder, or string builder sp is equal to new string builder, and pass the initial value into that. Okay, so we'll see the simple program of appending the string. Okay, so main thing is that string builder is mutable and string is a immutable. Is it okay, guys? Are you getting this about the string and string builder? And why do we need to go for string builder? So you can see here we created object of string builder. We'll append the programming and it will just use the old object only, and it will append that. Now guys, so the request from my side, can you please create a one example from your side for string builder? Can you try to do that? You can try this one and try to create a one more example from your side for string builder. Please reply guys. Can you do that? Yes, everyone. Please do it guys, and then we'll go ahead. Yes, please. 1 minute, guys. So, lovely Krishna, are you here to attend the session or are you here for some other? One minute. What's the issue? See, at least they are sending, na. That is important. Okay. Okay, guys. We'll go ahead. So we can insert the string also using insert function. So there are many functions are available. Okay. Delete the string. You can use a delete function. Reverse the string using reverse function. Okay. So all these functions are there. Okay. So that is about the string builder. So you can practice as many as character, methods you can over here. So these are the method list. Okay. So append, insert, delete, replace, reverse, caret, set caret, length, capacity, and toString. So if you want, you can make a note of that, and you can create an example. I have, but if you want, you can make a note of this and then you can try that. Okay. Can you make a note of this, guys? Yes. Okay, Tarun, what is the difference between the replace and set caret? Okay. So if you see here, when we use a replace, we are going to replace the particular characters or more than one character. But caret, it is change the only character, only one character. Is it okay? Okay, guys. So till now, fine. So we have discussed about the string in Java, string builder, character array, string manipulation problem. So we have seen, but okay, we'll see the few example. Rashid, example you want? See, okay, I'll show you example also. I'll show you this example. In that you'll get it. Okay, you can try that on also. Okay, I have not created. So single character you want to replace and all. I hope you are asking about that only, or you can elaborate. Okay, now the string manipulation problems. So reversing, comparing, searching, replacing, counting characters. So we have seen that many of them. Okay. So reverse string we already discussed. So we are not going into that. Checking palindrome also we have discussed, right? Count vowels and constant we have discussed. So count the frequency of character. Can you please try to do it? This one. You can go for hash map also. Can you try to do the code for count the frequency of character? Hello guys, you have 5 minutes. Can you try to do that? Hello everyone, please. If not, then I will explain you the solution also. Okay, I will explain, Prasanna, no issue. 1 minute. So you can see here we are taking a string called as a banana, then we are creating an object of hash map. So hash map is having a key and value. Okay, so key is a character, value is an integer. So we are going to take here for one ch character variable ch, and in that string str dot to char array. So it is taking an individual character over here, and we are putting that into that hash map. So hash map dot put. So we are putting that character, and map dot get or default. So every time we'll get that plus one, means if it is getting that same thing, we'll add that again. Okay. So like that we are going to count. Is that okay, Prasanna? Count the number of occurrences. Okay, so please try this one, and then obviously after 5 minutes, if anything, we'll discuss that. Okay. So first of all, tell me, have we discussed this 4 points string, character array, and string hash map? It is a data structure. Okay. So it is implemented using the map interface. Okay, which will have a key and value pair. Is that okay, Soham? So character array, string builder, string manipulation problem. Have we discussed all these 4 points? Everyone, please reply. Okay, please do this code. Try this, and then we will go ahead. Okay. Okay, you can try that. Remove the duplicate character, Jatin. And tomorrow I will create more questions separately. Okay, today I don't create it, but you can write a program to remove the duplicate character. Is that okay, Jatin? Hello? Okay, please. Okay, guys, great. So if you have any question query, you can feel free to ask. I'm done for today. So I have completed all the topics which I have mentioned. Okay. So if anyone is having any question query, you can feel free to ask. Okay. If not, then you guys can feel free to leave. So I'm done for today, guys. Welcome, Tarun. Yes, if no question, just let me know. Then we will wind up the session. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Amar, I'm done for today.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, students. We'll see you on Monday. Bye bye.
Bye, guys.